Hey guys, welcome to Mind Your Maths. So in this video, as we continue to learn the problem solving strategy, in the previous video we saw the branching strategy, right? So in the branching strategy, we are going to see a different type of problem today. So in that you will find a keyword, a fraction of the remainder or fraction of the rest of the balance or something like that, right? So now what do I mean by that? Yeah, so let's read this problem and then that will make sense to you. Yeah, Mr. Kumar used quarter of his salary and gave 2/3 of the remainder to his mother. He gave the rest of his money to his wife. What fraction of his total salary did he give to his wife? Right, so this problem we are going to solve using model method first, and then I will show you the branching method, yeah, so that you will understand better when we use the branching method. But in your exam you can choose one of them, yeah, but I would always advise you use the branching method, yeah. Okay, so as per the problem, right, Kumar had a salary, right, and he used quarter of his salary, right, and he gave to his mother 2/3 of the remainder right? So this is the key word again, yeah. Okay, and then the wife got whatever is left, yeah, whatever is left is what the wife got, yeah. This is what is given in the problem. So now let's use a model diagram first to solve it, yeah. Okay, so the salary, let's take it as 1 unit because we don't know what is the salary, yeah. So he got the salary, so from that he used quarter of it, which means he split this into 4, yeah, he split this into 4 and then he used one portion of it. That's the quarter, right? So this one he used quarter, he used, yeah. So what is the remainder here? So all these 3 portion are the remainders after he used the quarter of his salary, right? So from the remainder he gave 2/3 to his mother. So we only left with 3, right? 3 units. So from this he gave 2 to his mother. So this one, these 2 he gave to his mother. So 2/3 he gave to his mother, yeah. So now what is left after these 2? What is left? Only one portion, right? Only one portion. One of what? One of 4, right? Which is another quarter. So another quarter is left, which is what he gave to his wife, yeah. So wife got this one. So wife got 1/4 of the salary, right? So that is the fraction that we wanted to find, right? The fraction was like, what is the fraction of total salary that the wife got, right? So that was the question, right? You can write it, right, the whole thing when you write your exam, right? But I have just used the acronyms here, right? Now let's use the branching method to solve the problem, yeah. Okay, so this is model method, and then let's now go for branching method. So he got his salary. Let's take the salary as 1 unit, yeah, because the how much he got is not given. So from 1 unit, what did he do? He split that into 4 units and then he used the quarter. He used the quarter of his salary. And what is the remainder? From the 4 portion he already spent 1. So what will be the remainder? Yes, 3/4. 3/4 will be the remainder, right? So from the remainder, again what did he do? He split that into 3 portion, right? From that he gave the 2 to his mother. And after he gave the 2 portion to his mother, or 2 units to his mother, what will be the remainder again here? Yes, 1 over 3, because out of these 3 units he gave 2 to his mother, so 1 will be left. That is what the wife got. But the question is what fraction of the salary, right? What fraction of the whole salary the wife got? Yeah? So for that, what we need to do is we just need to multiply all the path going backwards. So from this one we multiply this one, and then from this one we multiply this one also. Yeah? So that is how we will get what is the wife's portion from the whole salary. Yeah? Okay, so let's multiply here. Okay, so this one is 1 unit times 3 over 4 3/4 times 1 over 3. So that is the fraction of the salary, the overall salary that the wife got. So you have to be careful about the question, right? So if the question is asking what is the fraction of this 3/4, then you just need to multiply only these two. But here the question is, from the total salary, what is the fraction that the wife got? So you have to go reverse, right? From this one you go to this one, multiply it, and then whatever you get after multiplying here, you have to multiply with the total salary. So in here the total salary is 1 unit, and then we multiply 3/4, and then we multiply 1/3 again. Yeah? Okay, so let's multiply here. So in here you have 1 3 at the numerator and 1 3 at the denominator, right? So we can cancel it, 1 times 1 and 1 times 3 and 1 times 3. So now there is nothing else can be cancelled, so let's multiply it. 1 times 1 times 1 is equals to 1, and then 4 times 1 is 4. Yeah? So that is what the fraction of the salary that the wife got. Now you might have a question, right? Why should we multiply using this 1 when it is actually, we know that it doesn't make any difference because it is 1. Why should we still multiply it? Well, the question is, from the total salary, what was the fraction, right? So in your question, why I included this 1, yeah, I purposely put it because sometimes you will have a question that they will give a number for the salary also. Yeah, so I will use a different color to explain that. For example, they might give you, okay, Kumar got $80 today. Yeah, from the $80 quarter he used, and then from the remainder he gave 2/3 to his mother. If the question was that way, right, then you need to multiply whatever is the total salary also. Yeah, the question may not be then what is the end fraction, but how much actual money that the wife got. It may not be a fraction. Yeah, so in that case what we need to do here is that if I replace this step, so 80 times 3 over 4 or 3/4 times 1 over 3, right? Yeah, so now here same thing, so 3 goes for 1 times 3, 1 times 3. Now you see here the 4 and 80 can go also, right? See, 1 time, because this is 80 is in the numerator, so 1 times 4 is 4, and then if you cancel this one 2 times 4 is 8, and then 0 is there. So now nothing more can be simplified. Let's multiply. So 20 times 1 equals to 20. This one is 1 times 1 is 1, which is equal to $20. So $20 is what the wife will get. So that is why I said that, right, we need to use the total salary. That one as well is very, very important when we multiply. So this is how we multiply to get the fraction, and this is how we multiply to get the actual salary in dollars itself, if the question was to find the actual dollars itself. Yeah, so that's why I put this 1 here. Yeah, now it makes sense, right? Yeah, cool guys. Right, so so now again I just want to say why we choose branching method over the model method is because in here we split the the units into only 4, right? But sometimes you will have a fraction that will actually give you more numbers, like maybe 99, 81. So you cannot split that many, you cannot draw that many units in your paper, right? So that is why whenever it comes to this fraction of the remainder of fraction of something, then you use the branching method. Yeah, again, pay closer attention. Depending on the question, you have to go back to that many times to multiply to get the answer. So in this case, it was the portion of the fraction of the total salary. That's why we went up to the salary, which was 1 unit, 1 times this one times this one. Then you get the final answer. Yeah, so this one must be included in this case, because sometimes you will have actual number itself in the salary. So when you multiply, you get the actual dollars itself as the answer, right? So that's all for this video, guys, right? So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and also press the bell button so you get the latest videos notified to you when I upload another video. Yeah, thanks for watching.